Good morning. Hello. Welcome to polynomial equation. The, this lesson is for week 8 in your module. So, the first question is polynomial equation or not? How are we going to determine whether the given expression is polynomial equation or not? Okay, let us now proceed. Example of polynomial equation. Number 1, 3x to the 4th plus 2x minus 5 equals 0. Number 2, 2x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. Number 3, 8x to the 5th power minus 2x to the 4th power minus 3x to the 3rd power plus 2x to the 2nd power plus 1 half x plus 12 equals 0. And then number 4, quantity of x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 2 times the quantity x minus 1 times 4 equals 0. And the last example is x squared minus 81 equals 0. These are examples of polynomial equation. Please evaluate those examples. Now, let us now proceed. Example of not polynomial equation. Number 1, 3x minus 4 raised to negative 4 plus 2x minus 5 equals 0. Number 2, 2x cubed minus 2x to the 2nd power plus 1 over 8x minus 6 equals 0. And then, number 3, quantity of x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 2 times the quantity x minus 1 raised to 1/3 equals 0. And the last example is x to the 2nd power minus 81 square root of x equals 0. So what do you notice, class? Can you now identify if the given expression is polynomial equation or not? Okay. So, napakadali lang, class. Meron lang tayong 4 na tatandaan para masabi natin ng isang expression is polynomial equation or polynomial function. Kung mapapansin natin, meron siyang exponent or power na negative 4. Dito naman, merong denominator na variable. Dito naman, class, merong negative 1/3 na exponent. At yung pang-4, merong variable inside the radical. Samantalang, yung naunang example ito, wala siya. So, walang negative exponent, no fractional exponent, no variable inside the radicals, and then no denominator is variable. So, therefore, these examples are polynomial equation. And by the way, class, please take note. polynomial equation can be written into standard form or not standard form. Pag sinabi natin standard form, yung power niya ay nasa descending order. Look, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, constant. Ano kaya ang kahalagahan nito? At yung isa naman ay naka-factored form. Okay. Let us now proceed. Ito yon. How to write the polynomial equation into standard form. How to identify the degree, the leading coefficient, and the constant term. Example, x minus 3x to the 4th plus 2x cubed plus x to the 5th minus 5 equals 0. So if you're going to translate or rewrite this to a standard form, may gina siyang x to the 5th minus 3x to the 4th plus 2x cubed plus x minus 5. Okay. So this time, malalaman natin yung kahalagahan kung bakit kailangan nating i-translate o isulat o rewrite sa standard form yung polynomial equation. So, para madali nating makita or ma-determine yung degree of the polynomial. Look, ang highest exponent natin ay 5. Therefore, the degree is 5. Right? And then, kung ano yung highest exponent, kung ano yung numerical coefficient ng highest exponent, yun yung leading coefficient. Here, the leading coefficient is 1. And then, yung constant term, madali lang ma-identify. The constant term is negative 5. Kung ano yung walang variable, yun yung constant term. So, do you have question? God bless and good luck.